Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today is my birthday. We're also having some building work going on, so if you can hear any banging, please forgive me. I'm hoping it won't pick up on camera, but honestly, who knows? But anyway, today I am unboxing the Glossybox Summer Limited Edition bundle. This is not the monthly box, this is a bundle on top. It's limited edition, they usually sell out pretty quick, so if you want one, get in there. And it is worth £105, but it's being sold for £25 for subscribers and £35 for non-subscribers. And also I think subscribers generally get first dibs, so if you do want one, be a subscriber. Anyway, I opened up the box and I was like, this is amazing. So I don't actually know what's inside, but I thought we'd do it together. But I just wanted to highlight, look how it comes, look how it's packaged. It's in a bum bag. And I am here for it, quite frankly, because I've been wanting a bum bag lately and I keep going on ASOS and I'm kind of shocked by how much bum bags are. They're like literally £15–20, which is cool if bum bags are your vibe, but I only really want a bum bag for like gardening. Do you know what I mean? Like I want to put my phone in, I want to put my secateurs in, I want to put my little posty markery things in. That's all I want it for, and I don't really want to spend 20 quid on it. So the fact that you get a really nice one in this package, I think is like a real win. So if you are a mum, or you want it for your gardening, or you want it for festivals, I think that's pretty cool. It's a nice big size. It's probably about 30 centimeters across, and also I have already tried it on. It is plus size friendly, which I think is really cool. Again, apologies for the banging. But yeah, I think it's really good. So it's £25 if you're a subscriber, £35 if you're a non-subscriber, and the whole thing is worth £105. However, the contents I am completely clueless on. So let's open it up and do it together. There's some good brands in here. Hello. Wowza. So where should we start? Oh, I don't actually know. It's really good. I'm really excited. Cool. Suddenly, I'm not so excited about the bum bag. I'm excited about the contents. Holy smokes. Okay, let's start with something. Let's just go straight in, just pick things out at random. First of all, we've got Amore lashes. This is quite a few different sets of lashes. They're reusable, up to 7 days wear, and they come in like little strips. I don't really use lashes. I'll probably give these away, but I'm sure somebody I know will be absolutely pumped up for them. Yeah, lash extensions without the salon, and they last for like 7 days. So that's the first thing, not really for me, but pretty cool if you wear lashes. Next thing is by Hair Burst for longer, stronger hair. This is a conditioner. It's a nice small size, perfect for traveling, 60 mils. Let's give it a smell. I want to see how it smells. Ooh, coconutty. Ooh, that's lovely. Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. And I'm gonna guess it's a shampoo to match, so let's find that. Here we go. Yep, the shampoo, avocado and coconut shampoo. Let's check it smells good. Yeah, the coconut conditioner smells more coconutty, but it still smells good. Again, 60 ml, so that is the next thing. Okay, next I'm going to go for something that's very cool and very exciting. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Hello, full size, thank you very much. That's amazing. This is worth literally 20 quid on its own. So yeah, if you need a new mascara, this is a brilliant one. Probably one of my favorite ever mascaras. And yeah, that's inside the box, full size, which is so good. Okay, the next thing we've got is Hawaiian Tropic Cocoa Magic Fragrance Mist. This is the cooling edition, and it's creamy coconut and white musk. Let's give it a sniff. See how it smells? Ooh, coconutty. Do you know what it's giving? It's giving vanilla kisses. Do you remember the Impulse vanilla kisses? I don't know if it still exists. You're probably telling me that it does or doesn't. I don't know, but it's definitely giving Impulse vanilla kisses, but like in a really good nostalgic way. This is a nice big bottle too. 250 mils. That's amazing. Okay, next I'm gonna go for something a little bit more luxy. Let's go for Laura Mercier. This is a Pure Canvas Primer. Hydrating. It is a 10 ml little tube. Perfect for traveling, perfect for hot days. Perfect if you actually want your makeup to like stay on your face. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes in the sun, my makeup just melts right off. That's gonna help you out. So that's the next thing. And then we've got another luxy thing, which is a deodorant. This is by SC01X Orange Grove, Petitgrey Mandarin Neroli. It's a balm. I have heard really good things about this stuff. Never tried it. So yeah, it is a deodorant. It's weird. Comes out of a little tube. That's weird. I wonder how you get it out. I'm guessing you pierce a hole. I'm not really sure. Oh, here we go. Snap off the nozzle, massage a pea-sized amount onto clean skin. I'm going to be honest, I have hairy pits at the moment, so I might wait till I've de-haired them, because I always worry that a balm deodorant will like... This is so embarrassing and completely TMI, but I'm always worried that a balm deodorant will just basically go on the armpit hair and like not my skin. So I will wait till I have sorted that bad boy out, and then I will get using it. I will report back. Now I'm super excited about this. This is Bobbi Brown, the Crushed Oil Infused Gloss. I love these so much. These are incredible. I have got a couple of these already. I absolutely love them. I don't think I have this shade, which is a really pretty summer neutral. Absolutely gorgeous on basically everybody. And this is again full size, which I think these are around £25. So again, a really, really good item. I have to say, for the mascara and the lip gloss alone, completely worth it. And then we have Revlon. This is Unique One. This is an all-in-one hair treatment, 10 real benefits. So I'm guessing it's everything from like a primer to a hydrator to a styling product. You know the drill. I will give it a go next time I wash my hair. I actually washed my hair this morning as a birthday treat to myself. I know that sounds really bad, but I swear it's very hard to find the time these days to wash my hair. So I was like, today is my day. Anyway, now we're on to the last item. This is by Bondi Sands. This is the I Spy Brightening Eye Cream. Oh, cool. I didn't even know that they did this. I really like Bondi Sands products. They're really good quality. So I'm looking forward to trying this eye cream. It's not tinted, it's just brightening. It contains vitamin C and green coffee beans, Australian made. And again, this is full size. This is 15 ml. So really, really, really good. And that, my friends, is the last item. So we have the bum bag, which I absolutely love. It's padded, it's really nice quality, it's a really nice like wearable soft shade of grey. If you're not into the Glossybox label, you can always pick it off and try to like put some badges or whatever on there instead. I will personally keep mine on because I'm a Glossybox fan and proud of it, but I'm really excited about this. I'm going to use it when I'm gardening. I am really excited to like put my tools and my gloves and all that kind of thing and have everything in one go. So don't discount the fact that this comes in a bum bag, because that's a really, really, really cool idea. And I wish more brands were doing this, because bum bags are actually really handy when you are like outside a lot, or you're a mum, you're walking with your baby. It just means your hands free, but in a better way than if you are wearing a crossbody bag, because if you're picking up your baby, the crossbody bag kind of digs in, whereas a bum bag is brilliant. Not the cutest, I have to be honest, because like you don't feel cool when you're wearing a bum bag unless you're that person who wants to wear it crossbody, which I'm not into. I'm like, wear a bum bag, it's a bum bag. Anyway, I'm really excited about this. I think it's really, really nice. It's a really nice quality. I just think it looks actually like as good as you can get when it comes to bum bags. So that is really, really nice. And then of course, I think the best items are the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is a wonderful mascara and worth buying this box alone. I'm really excited about the eye cream. Bondi Sands, lovely. I love Bobbi Brown. They are my favourite lip products in the world. And then apart from that, we've got just some nice things to try. We've got some shampoo and conditioner, which is always handy. The Hawaiian Tropic actually smells lovely, and it's a really fun summer fragrance. You know, if you want to save some money on perfume and you just want to wear like a little scent, that's amazing. And then we've got the Laura Mercier Amazing Primer. Got the eyelashes, which I'm personally going to give away, but I'm sure a lot of people will be really excited about them. Got the deodorant, got the Revlon hair care. It's a really good bundle. It's 100% worth the money. Personally, I think it's worth it. Even if you just want the mascara, even if you just want the lip gloss, it is actually personally, I think, worth it. I love the fact that you get the bum bag. This is such a winner for me. I'm really excited about this. And I love the fact that it's plus size friendly, which not all bum bags are. And yeah, I just think it's a really, really, really good bundle. If you are a subscriber and it's £25, I say run, do not walk. You know, it is a run, do not walk situation. I think it's genuinely really good because literally that lip gloss, worth it. The mascara, worth it. And I don't know, I just think it's really, really good. I think it's amazing. £25? It's like, thank you. We're in a cost of living crisis. And this is giving me bang. You know, it's giving me bang. It's what I need. It's giving me life. And it's like actually usable, genuinely like I need this stuff. And I love that. So that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. I hope you liked it. Happy birthday to me. And I will see you again soon. Goodbye.